Suppose f is a continuous function where f of 6 is 8 and f prime of 6 is 10. The equation of the tangent line to the graph will be, okay, so how do we find that? Well, they're telling us to find the equation of the tangent line, we need y equals mx plus b. How do we find m? Well, that's the slope. And what is the slope? I did the same thing. The slope of the tangent line is the derivative, is f prime. And what is that? Well, f prime of 6 is 10. So there's the slope. That's the slope. So we go, okay, so it's y equals 10x plus b. Now, what do we do from here? Well, this is the x value and this is the y value, right? So plug in x is 6 and y is 8. So you get 8 equals 10 times 6 plus b. And so we get 8 equals 60 plus b. Subtract 60 from both sides. Boom. So b equals, what is that, minus 52. Okay, so we have the equation now, y equals mx plus b. Y equals, got the m, which is 10, the b, which is minus 52. 10 is minus 52. That's the same thing they have. They're just writing in a different form. It's fine either way. Okay, now, second part. So you could put in here 10x minus 52. It's the same thing. So now the second part, the tangent line will hit the x-axis. Well, how do you know when this is going to hit the x-axis? Well, you know that. A graph, this is a line, right? With a positive slope. So in other words, this is a line that does something like that. So he hits the x-axis, the x-axis, the y-axis, when y is 0. So just take this equation and you set it equal to 0, right? Or you can just plug in, how about, to make it more clear, you just make that y 0. You just say, I want to find out what is x, what is x equals what when y is 0. So jump this 52 to the other side, plus 52 is 10x, and then divide by 10. Boom. X equals 52 over 10. You can reduce it or type it in, whatever. Divide by 2. Top and bottom. X equals 26 over 5. That's the answer they gave, right? Yeah, I think they'll take a decimal or a fraction. Reduced or not reduced. There we go. It's fine. And that's why are we having that here? Because that's what Newton's method is all about. Newton's method is all about taking an equation, taking the tangent line and finding out where it hits 0. That's how they derive Newton's method. So I just wanted to make sure you know how to do that. There we go.